Hi, this is LA from LA's Learning Channel. Today I'm going to be detecting acids and bases using a pH indicator. The pH scale measures if things are an acid or a base. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, and if it's below 7 on the pH scale, it is considered acid. If it is a 7, it's neutral. If it's higher than 7, it will always be a base. This is the second indicator, purple cabbage solution. I'll tell you how to make it. First, you get purple cabbage, then you rip it into small pieces with a knife, or you can rip it with your hands. And then you take that, leave it on a pot filled with boiling water, and then let it to cool down for a few minutes. Then you'll have this dark blackish purple solution that can be used to check the pH. If you want these printouts for the purple cabbage indicator, and you need to get these online, and if you type in purple cabbage indicator, you will find these. But since there's too much liquid in here, I'm going to be pouring some of it into this beaker. This is milk. I'm adding this purple cabbage solution, and it changes color to this color, which has a pH of 6. I'm going to be testing Coca-Cola with it, but first I'm going to have to spill out some extra. It turned red, which means it has a pH of about 2. I mean, it's between like 2 and 3, I'd say. It has a pH of about 2 because it has this red color, and that means it's an acid. This is distilled water. It has a pH of about 6. This is drinking water, or canned water. When I put some of this purple cabbage into it, it turns purple, which means it's also 7, and it's neutral. This is tap water, and when I add the purple cabbage, it turns purple, which means it's 7. This is pool water, and it should have a pH of it turns to a dark purple, which means it's between 7 and 8. It has a pH between 7 and 8, which makes it a base. This is apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to put some of the purple cabbage solution into it. Which makes it red, which makes it between 2 and 3. This is baking soda diluted in water, when I add some of this purple cabbage into it, it turns bluish green, which is between a 9 and an 8, which makes it basic. Now this is fruit juice. Now when I add the purple cabbage into it, it turns this color, which means it's between a 3 and a 4. When I add the purple cabbage solution into it, it turns this bright pinkish purple color, which means it's between a 3 and a 4, which makes it an acid. This is mouthwash. When I add this purple cabbage to the mouthwash, it turns this pinkish red color, which makes it between 5 and 6. This is our last solution, lemon juice. When I add the purple cabbage solution into the lemon juice, it becomes this dark red color, which is between 2 and a 2.5, which makes it an acid. Those are all the solutions and their pH. The uses of pH are to check your tap water if it's an acid or a base. If it's between 7 and 8, it's good. If a pipe breaks, it's better to check it than to not check it, so you're on the safer side. The hydrochloric acid in your stomach helps your digestive system digest food. But if there's too much hydrochloric acid, you can have stomach pain. In the industries, pH is used to check if wastewater is an acid or a base before being released. In fish tanks, you have to check the water pH before you add the fish in, or they might die. If your parents won't buy you pH paper, use the purple cabbage to make your purple cabbage solution. It's very easy and not very expensive. So use the purple cabbage instead. Also, if you don't want to take out a printout, you can get this on the internet and you don't have to print it out. Bye, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.